Now we take up formal reply. Formal reply. Nobody replies to a formal invitation. However, the format for a formal reply exists, and this is important from examination point of view. Again, a formal reply can be drafted by way of a letter also, but by way of a letter also, I repeat, formal reply can also be drafted by way of a letter. However, the format, the customary form, the traditional format for a formal reply is one paragraph without date, salutation, subscription, etc. Just one paragraph. Just one paragraph. Here, again, language will be formal. I will refer to myself in the third person. I will refer to myself in the third person. It constitutes two sentences basically. Two sentences. One, courteous thanks and greetings for the occasion. And second, acceptance. Second sentence stating acceptance or declining the invitation. The invite. These are the two simple constituents of a formal reply. Nothing else. However, the same, and therefore, a formal reply can be that of accepting the invitation or declining the invitation. In both the cases, the opening, the first sentence would remain the same. Courteous thanks or greetings would remain the same. However, the second sentence would differ. So, and the fact remains the same, that language used would be formal. Language used would be formal. I would refer to myself and the person whom I'm thanking for the invitation, who's extended the invitation, will be referred to by his name only. And in case of acceptance, I can refer to myself as I'll definitely refer to myself in the third person and say that express their willingness to be a part of the program at the appointed place and time. At the appointed place and time. Express XYZ, express willingness to be part of the program or part of celebration at the appointed place and time. Declining, however, owing to a pressing engagement the same evening, XYZ failed to honor or regret not to be able to honor the invitation. I repeat, however, owing to a pressing engagement the same evening or same morning or the same day, XYZ regret to inform their inability to attend the function or to honor the invitation. Very formal. That's where a formal reply ends. One paragraph, no salutation, no date of writing of the reply, and no subscription, nothing at all. The same can be drafted in the shape of a letter, a formal letter. Again, the particulars remain the same. Date will not carry the year. It will carry all of the particulars because it resembles a formal letter, but it will be brief, and again, two sentences. So if you know the format of a formal reply, you can give it the shape of a formal letter. You can give it any shape that is desired. You can write it in the shape of a paragraph, which will be one paragraph constituting 2 sentences, or you can give the shape of a letter. It doesn't defy intelligence. It's not rocket science. It's very, very simple. However, the fact remains that I will not use my subscription will have to be yours sincerely, and the simple reason for that is the salutation includes name, and the date will not carry the year. Date will not carry the year. So it is this particular question which resembles an informal letter but is not actually an informal letter. It's a formal reply. It's a formal reply. The other way of finding out whether it is actually a formal reply or a formal invitation is the fact that there will be a difference in marks. First, there are no informal letters in the syllabus. Only business letters are there, and all business letters carry 6 marks each. If there is a letter, it will carry 6 marks. It will not carry 4 marks as any one of the test items of this particular question number 3 of section B, would carry. So this is what it is. The usage of yours sincerely is what the basic difference between the use of yours sincerely and yours faithfully should have been understood by now.